Hi, my name is Amy Justice, and I am the owner and only clinician at Vital Sports and Wellness. I started this business because I wanted to give people better care, and I'm an athlete myself, and I knew there was kind of a gap between traditional PT and returning to sport. So I am board certified clinical sports specialist. That means I've taken a test and studied extra hard and taken the time to educate myself to learn those differences that athletes need. I also consider myself an athlete. I've done CrossFit for 10 years. I'm a former gymnast, so I understand those demands that the body needs. I also want to get people back to exercise and doing the things they want. I do not tell people to stop. I find ways to work around it so you can continue to do those things that make you happy. That's another thing that's different, while still protecting the injury and making sure it doesn't get any worse. I also do a majority of manual therapy. What is that? That's hands-on work. Before I was a PT, I was a massage therapist for 10 years. So I really use my hands to feel what's going on in the body and the muscles. And I treat with my hands. I do spinal mobilizations. So I do joint mobilizations to the body, all different joints. I also do dry needling, which is a little bit different. So I use that to treat muscle range of motion and muscle pain. If you have a lot of muscle pain, dry needling is so neat. That's all I can say. You have to come try it. The other thing that's different about me is I like to challenge my patients. You're going to be off the table most of the time, and you might even sweat a little bit. And that's I'm very satisfied when my patients sweat a little bit. I want you to move. I want you to exercise. So ultimately, that's what makes you better. Finding those weaknesses is my job. I'm going to find those weaknesses and challenge you, getting your injuries better. So I have a little motto that I like to say: if it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. And that applies to the PT world too. So that's a little bit about me and my business. I have 2 locations, one in Green Cove Springs and one in Orange Park. And it's just me. So that's all you're going to see. I'd love to take care of you if this seems something that you'd be interested in. Schedule with the link or call the number that I provide. All right, thank you.